Okay, so welcome everyone, and in this lecture I'm going to be going over alternative coins. So in the last video I went over the major coins and the benefits and the drawbacks of those. And in this video I'm going to be going over the alternative coins. They're more on the smaller side. They're not as well known, so when I do give you guys examples of alternative coins, you may or may not have heard of them. So examples of alternative coins, one being Dash. This is one of the fairly popular ones in alternative coins. Maybe you've heard of it. And another one is Steam, Civic, and Next. So these are four fairly popular alternative coins, and yet you may not have heard of two or even three of these four alternative coins. So the benefits and drawbacks of alternative coins. One of the biggest drawbacks of alternative coins, they're very unstable. So whereas the major coins, slowly they will be increasing over time, if they do start to decrease, you will easily be able to notice it within a few days or even weeks that the value of the coin is decreasing. But with alternative coins, your value could be at 100 to 200%, and then you go to sleep. The next day you wake up, the value of the coin could drop to absolutely zero. So it's worth nothing. So it's fairly unstable. So there's a lot of risk involved with alternative coins. But with that being said, there's also major increases over time. So just as overnight it could decrease, it could also increase by 1,000 to 2,000 times within a matter of weeks or months. So there's a huge potential to make lots of money with alternative coins, whereas major coins, it's more of a steady growth. And the way you actually do make money with alternative coins is you want to do quick trades. So you buy, sell, you buy, sell. So you buy for, let's say you buy for 10 cents, and then as soon as it goes to 20 cents or 30 cents, you can trade it and then make 2 to 3 times your money back. So it's more of a quick trade type thing. Whereas major coins, you want to keep it for maybe months or years at a time. And they're also very cheap. Like I said, you want to do quick trades. Maybe for a few dollars, you could buy thousands upon thousands of alternative coins, especially when they're just offered into the market. They start off at 0.0001 cent. So for $1, you could buy thousands of coins. So they're fairly cheap. They're highly volatile. And so, but this is where most of the money can be made if you're smart. But if you want to play it safe, you can go ahead and do more of the major coins. And there's a lower risk, but there's also lower potential. Anyways, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.